Imagine a universe so abstract we can't even call it that. And there's someone playing some sort of probable game with his friend, gambling. And he's getting a bit bored in his definite world. Everything's precisely calculated. Anything can be made, spawned in whatever you want. And he's just sat down playing, gambling his dreams away. He goes to his friend, his god, goes to his friend and says, imagine a universe based on probability. Everything's 50% chance of happening. And his friend goes,
Are you crazy? There's some sort of species there. They'd surely go insane.
they'd never be able to measure anything precisely or know anything. No, they'll never be able to know for sure anything. And what is it meant to be like? You don't know whether your cat's gonna die. There's a 50% chance your cat's gonna die. Then our God would go, not exactly. What about if we made it so it's not a 50% chance of happening, but everything happens? No, complete multiverse, unlike our own definite one. And his friend would go, multiverse? Are you a bit mad, my friend? And the god would butt in, saying, well, we'd have to make sure it's not infinite possibilities, so we'd have to make sure time is not infinite, and neither can space be, I guess. So we're close to infinity, although you can't really get close. It'd just be a bit mental if it was infinity, but imagine a really big number of events close, bridging the gap of infinity. He would carry on to say, perhaps in this universe, they could feel more than us, could question things. Maybe there'd be such things as not knowing. Impossible to know everything. Don't you think that would be quite a lovely gift? Something you can never have, but will never understand as well. Just something out of reach. Perhaps they would imagine there's a God that knows it all, defies the laws of their physics. Their minds could be a pool of randomness. They could be conscious. No question. They wouldn't know for sure, ever, why they're there. Like us, you know, everything there is. We can store it in cells of many kinds. We can spawn whatever we want. My friend, I wish a world of randomness, probability, and just anything can happen. And everything does. Not because everything is predicted, but because the complete opposite. fingers. But this idea never comes to reality. It's only a thought inside. But God's mind. And he dies that way with this thoughts preserved as a projector of our universe.